Hey, how you doing? Randy here. Welcome to another one of my video tutorials. Now, I know that most of you nowadays are recording your vocals in your bedroom or your home studios. So today I want to show you how you can mix your vocals to make them sound professional. So let's dive right in.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game. Things we used to know are never gonna be the same. Can't turn back the time, shield you from the pain. Years I left behind fall like paper in the rain. You never know where your words will flow.
Jo is in Canada and she recorded these vocals for me. I'm in London, in her one of her rooms in her house. It's not the perfect room. It's a basic setup, and I just wanted to show you what results you can achieve in that kind of a situation. So this is my vocal chain on the left here. Before it gets to this stage, what I've done is I have comped the vocals, they've taken the best parts and put them together. I have removed any noise. I have treated the vocals, I've pitch corrected them and timed them. And now they're ready for being mixed into the song, basically. Normally I would take a lot more time on it and I wouldn't just mix it into a full instrumental track. But for the purpose of showing you the results we can achieve, I've done it this way. This is how it sounds like without anything on it in the mix.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game. Things we used to know never gonna be the same. Can't turn back the time, shield you from the pain. Years I left.
Okay, so the first thing I like to do, because Jo gave it to me in a dry room and I asked her for it to be as dry as possible, I need to now place that sound in an actual room. And this basically places Jo in a beautiful studio. I'll just bring it in while the vocal's being played so you can hear the difference.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game.
So a huge difference
Things
already.
we used to know never gonna be the same.
Places her into a beautiful
Turn
room.
back the time, shield you from.
I then add some analog processing to it.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game. Things we used to know never gonna be the same.
So it's subtle, but it adds a nice bit of color to it. The next is EQing. So what I've done here, I've cut out all the low end, which is usually where all the rumble and everything is. I've cut here at 260 hertz. It was really boomy and boxy, and also here at 500 hertz. Then what I've done is I've boosted it 2000 hertz, 2 kilohertz, to bring up some of her the main frequencies, and just added some brightness here as well. And this is how it sounds.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game. Things we used to know never gonna be the same. Can't turn back the time, shield you from the pain. Years I.
So it just brightens it up. It's thinned it out a little bit, but as the processing goes along, that fullness will come back in. What I wanted to do next, before compressing, I just want to tame the S's a little bit. For Jo, it's around 10,500 hertz. Again, it's subtle.
Seasons
Sounds like
come
this.
and go. We all played the game. Things we used to know never gonna be the same. Can't turn back the time.
I put it through a compressor. This is the LA76. It's modeled off another analog compressor. And what I'm trying to do here is tame the peaks before I put it through another compressor. And it sounds like this.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game. things we used to know.
It's important to make sure the output is the same volume as the input so that you know what difference you're making. Let's do before and after.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game. Things we used to know. Never gonna be the same. Can't turn back the tide. Shield you from.
So that's tamed the dynamics a little bit, and then added some color because it's emulated after analog hardware. And the same with the LA3A. This is more of a slow attack compressor and just brings everything together nicely.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game. Things we used to know. Never gonna be the same. Can't turn back the tide. Shield you from the pain. Years I left behind fall like paper in the rain. 'Cause you never know.
Okay. And then I've added a little bit of widening to the vocal.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game. Things we used to know. Never gonna be the same. Can't turn back the tide.
Okay, and then another de-esser to tame the S's after all the processing that we've been through.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game. Things we used to know. Never gonna be the same. Can't turn back the tide. Shield you from.
What I've done next, just want to bring her vocals out a little bit more, and this Maag EQ is awesome. I usually use it just for the air band. I've had it here on the 2.5 and I've just got like less than a couple of dB gain, just to bring it out a little bit.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game. Things we used to know. Never gonna be the same. Can't turn back the
So through the Ocean Way Studios early reflections, it's already got a really nice ambience and natural reverb. But what I want to add is some plate reverb. And this is the UAD EMT 140. And this is how it sounds before and after.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game. Things we used to know. Never gonna be the same. Can't turn back the tide.
I have some pre-delay on it, so it doesn't wash out the lead vocal, and it comes in just after Joe singing, so it just keeps it clear and up front.
Seasons come and go. We all played the game. Things we used to know. Never gonna be the same. Can't turn back the tide. Shield you from the pain. Years I left behind fall like paper in the rain. 'Cause you never know.
And what I also like to do is some automation, just to bring up any words that are quiet, bring down any words that are too loud. So I've shown an example here, and you can see where I've made some automation too.
Rain. 'Cause you never know.
So that never is a bit quiet.
'Cause you never know where your words will flow.
So I felt that will was a bit quiet.
Will flow.
It's more obvious in the instrumental in.
Will flow. Will flow.
Just bring everything up. Another example here. So for me, like and day is too quiet, even after the compressor's done its work. So. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer every one of them. And if you'd like to know how I can help you with your songs, check out my website. The link is below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, follow, subscribe. I have new videos coming out every week, and I'll see you on the next one.